Hello, today I will talk about why digital image processing is important to us. If you haven't watched the previous video, I highly recommend you do so. I will link it in the description box below. Please hit a like and subscribe for more such videos, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Before learning any subject, it's imperative to know why this subject is required. We will be discussing why digital image processing is needed by exploring a few examples of digital image processing. Example number 1, image enhancement. It is used to improve quality or remove noises. For example, suppose we take this X-ray. This X-ray is not very visible, but we can see using our digital image processing, we have made it visible. Take this landscape for example. This is not very clear. We have applied some digital image processing techniques and we have made it clear. I will zoom into this image. If you see this image, there are lots of black and white dots, which makes it very unclear. We remove the noise and we can get a better quality image. Okay, let me zoom out. For example, in the second example is the Hubble telescope. We can see that this is the image that we got from the Hubble telescope. We applied some digital image processing techniques and we fixed it to make it more visible and understandable for us and for machines. Number 3, artistic effects. For example, in movies and in such, we use digital image processing to make images more visually appealing or to add special effects. In medicine, digital image processing has a huge impact on medicine. For example, if we take this MRI image of a dog heart, this is not, the edges are not very detectable. But by applying some image processing techniques, we can highlight edges. This is just one of the many examples in medicine. Can you think of a few others? If you can, leave it down in the comment below. Okay, moving on to the next example, geographic image information systems. They are used to manipulate satellite imagery, for example, terrain classification or meteorology, or in helping to know the location of cyclones, for example. This is how they located the cyclone Mora, which just happened very recently. The next example are industrial inspection. If we make the machines do these type of tedious, boring jobs, it's easier for us. Industrial inspection can include that if all the levels of the liquids are same, if all the bubbles are of the same size, if all the components are correctly placed. We will be seeing this in the next example, a PCB inspection. PCB inspection, this is used to determine that all the components are present and that all the solder joints are acceptable. Okay, and law enforcement. Think movies, think series. You know, number plate recognition, fingerprint recognition, enhancement of CCTV cameras. And the last one we will be discussing is human-computer interfaces, which means face recognition or gesture recognition. For example, if I wave my hand, I will know it's a wave of the motion. To detect face from a crowd, these are extremely important. In the next video, I will be discussing about some of the key stages in digital image processing. Thank you for staying so long.